Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and thanks for joining me in the garage today. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping fellow car owners tackle those annoying little problems that pop up, and today's fix is one a lot of Honda drivers will relate to. We're going to tackle that squeaky, creaky power driver's seat in your Honda. You know the one. Every time you try to adjust your seat, it sounds like an old rocking chair or a haunted house door. It's not just annoying, it can make your car feel older than it really is. If your seat groans, squeals, or just doesn't move as smoothly as it used to, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. Tons of Honda owners deal with this, and it's a super common issue as these cars rack up the miles. The good news? The fix is simple, affordable, and you don't need to be a professional mechanic or have a fancy workshop. If you've got a few basic tools and a little bit of patience, you can totally do this at home. I'll walk you through every single step from the tools you'll need to the exact type of grease that works best. I've linked everything in the description below so you can grab what you need before you start. No guesswork, no hunting around for the right stuff. This repair is based on Honda's official technical service bulletin, A21-048, so you know you're getting the real deal. We're not just making it up as we go. This is the same info Honda techs use at the dealership. We'll be following the exact procedure step by step, just like the pros. That means you can be confident you're doing it right, and you won't risk damaging your seat or voiding any warranties. Our goal today is simple: restore that smooth, quiet seat movement so your Honda feels comfortable and new again. No more embarrassing squeaks or creaks every time you get in or out of your car. Plus, you'll save a bunch of money by skipping the dealership, and you'll learn a little more about how your car works. It's a win-win, more cash in your pocket, and a smoother ride every day. So, are you ready to get started and give your Honda the love it deserves? Grab your tools, hit that like button, and let's dive right in. So, what's a Technical Service Bulletin, or TSB? It's an official document from car manufacturers to dealerships, describing a common problem and the factory-approved fix. Unlike a recall, which is for safety issues, a TSB covers non-safety annoyances, like our squeaky seat. TSBs are goldmines for DIYers. They pinpoint the problem and solution, saving you time and money. For our issue, Honda TSB A21-048 tells us exactly what's wrong and how to fix it. Dealers usually only fix TSBs for free under warranty, but the info is out there for everyone. Knowing about TSBs helps you talk to your mechanic or fix it yourself like we're doing today. No more guessing or unnecessary part swaps. Let's use this insider info to silence that seat. Here's what you'll notice: a squeak or groan when you slide the power seat forward or back, not when adjusting height or recline. Honda's TSB says this affects Accords 2018-2022, CR-Vs 2020-2022, Insights, Odysseys, Passports, Pilots, and Ridgelines from similar years. It's almost always the driver's seat, since it gets the most use. The issue isn't dangerous, just annoying. If your Honda's on that list and your seat's noisy, you're in the right place. So, what's causing the noise? It's not a broken motor or track. Honda found the culprit: not enough grease on a nylon gear inside the seat's slide mechanism. The seat moves on a threaded rod or worm drive that passes through this gear. Without enough grease, friction between the metal rod and nylon gear creates that squeak. The fix isn't replacing expensive parts, it's just adding the right grease. The seat still works fine, it's just noisy. This is a comfort issue, not a safety one. Temperature changes can make the noise worse, but the solution is always the same. Let's get that gear lubricated and quiet things down. Here's what you need: plastic-safe grease. Honda recommends Shin-Etsu G30M, but any quality silicone or urea-based grease works. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic trim tool to pop off a cover, and a flashlight to see under the seat. Disposable gloves and paper towels help keep things clean. No need for wrenches or removing the seat. This is all done in place. Safety tip: turn off the car and remove the keys before working near the seat mechanism. This is a beginner-friendly job. If you can use a screwdriver, you're set. All the recommended products are linked below. Gather your supplies and let's get started. Next up, the step-by-step fix. Start by sliding your car seat all the way forward. This gives you the best access to the seat tracks underneath. Next, turn off your car and remove the keys for safety. Move to the back seat and shine a flashlight under the driver's seat, focusing on the inboard track near the center console. Look for a black plastic cover near the rear end of the threaded rod. Pry it off gently with a trim tool or screwdriver. With the cover off, you'll see the nylon gear and threaded rod, usually the source of squeaks. Put on gloves and apply white lithium grease or silicone lubricant to the gear and rod. Work the grease into all grooves and teeth, then snap the cover back on. Move the seat back and forth to spread the grease. If noise remains, repeat the process. Enjoy your smooth, silent seat. Problem solved. And there you have it. Fixing your noisy Honda power seat is actually a pretty simple job. With just a little bit of the right grease and a few minutes of your time, you can transform that annoying squeak or rattle into a smooth, quiet ride. It's amazing how such a small maintenance step can make a big difference in your daily driving comfort. Remember, this isn't a recall or a major safety issue, so you won't get a letter in the mail or see a big announcement. Instead, it's a comfort fix that comes straight from Honda's Technical Service Bulletin, or TSB. These bulletins are issued by manufacturers to help both mechanics and car owners address common problems that aren't quite serious enough for a recall, but can still be frustrating. If your Honda is still under warranty, you're in luck. The dealership should take care of this fix for you at no cost. Just mention the TSB number when you book your appointment, and they'll know exactly what to do. It's always worth checking your warranty status before tackling any repair yourself. But if your warranty has expired, don't worry. By following this guide, you've just saved yourself a trip to the dealer and a potentially hefty service bill. Doing it yourself not only saves money, but also gives you the satisfaction of fixing your own car. The best part? You don't need any special skills or expensive tools. All you need is a little patience, some basic hand tools, and the right lubricant. Just follow the step-by-step instructions we covered, and you'll be enjoying a quiet, comfortable seat in no time. Technical Service Bulletins are a fantastic resource for diagnosing and fixing all sorts of weird or annoying car issues. Before you spend money on replacement parts or expensive repairs, always check if there's a TSB for your problem. You might be surprised at how many common issues have simple, manufacturer-approved fixes. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more easy, step-by-step DIY car fixes. We're always adding new videos to help you keep your car running smoothly and save money on repairs. All the products and tools we used in this video are linked in the description below, so you can find exactly what you need for your own repair. We've also included links to helpful resources and the official Honda TSB for your reference. If you have any questions about the process, or if you want to share your own results and tips, drop a comment below. We love hearing from fellow DIYers, and your feedback helps others in the community too. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this video made your repair a little easier. Stay tuned for more car care tips and repair guides coming soon. Until next time, happy wrenching. Now go out and enjoy your smooth, silent ride. You've earned it.